Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this beautiful Ford Cougar finished in frozen white with keyless entry, 182 brake horsepower, all-wheel drive. It's a 2-litre version with privacy glass all around the back, aluminium roof rails to connect any accessories, so if you need extra luggage space, if you need mountain bike racks, canoe racks, etc., you can connect all those via this system. Alloy wheel upgrade on the car, half leather interior with Isofix child seat anchor points in the back to keep baby children and toddlers as safe as possible. Really spacious interior, 12 volt power supply in the boot, in the back and in the front for charging. It does also have auto park function, so the car will actually find a parallel parking space for you and follow on screen instructions, and take your hands off the steering wheel, the car will do all the steering into the space for you. Dual zone climate control with air conditioning and heated front windscreen. We've got CD radio including DAB radio, auxiliary input for audio streaming directly from your smartphone, phone for Bluetooth telephony, push button stop start, speed limiter and cruise control, enhanced voice command, volume for both Bluetooth and your audio, and of course your phone conversation, and the Bluetooth phone control, enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features here just using your voice. Power to all 4 windows, electronic fold away door mirrors, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. So travel along to see us folks, it will be very much worth your while, not only because the car's been prepared by Ford main dealer technicians, but also our award-winning aftercare and customer service. So thanks very much for watching, we'll see you soon, bye bye.